In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1-inch margins on Google Docs. If you're preparing an academic paper, a business report, or anything that needs a clean, professional look, 1-inch margins are the standard. They give your content breathing room and help your document meet common formatting guidelines like APA, MLA, and many workplace templates. Let's walk through the process clearly and make sure everything looks exactly the way you need. Start by opening a document in your Google Drive. You can use an existing document if you're adjusting formatting after the fact, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Either way, make sure the document is open in your browser so you can access the menus at the top of the page. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Click File, then choose Page Setup from the drop-down. This is where Google Docs keeps all the page level settings, including paper size, orientation, and of course margins. In the page setup window, look for the margins section. You'll see 4 fields labeled top, bottom, left, and right. Click into each box and set the value to 1. If your account is using inches, just type the number 1 in each field. If you see centimeters instead, remember that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, so you can enter 2.54 in each field to achieve the same result. While you're here, try not to change other settings like paper size or orientation unless you intend to. Keeping things on letter and portrait is typical for most documents in the United States. Once you've set all 4 margins, confirm your changes by clicking OK. Your document will update immediately and you'll notice the text reflow to match the new spacing from the edges of the page. This change applies to the current document and Google Docs saves it automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do. That's all it takes. Open your document, go to File, choose Page Setup, set each margin to 1, and click OK. Your document now has clean, consistent 1-inch margins. If you want to quickly sanity check the spacing, glance at the rulers along the top and left edges of the page. The gray area should begin at about the 1-inch mark from the edge. This simple adjustment helps your work look polished and compliant with common formatting standards, whether you're turning in a paper or sharing a professional report. Thanks for watching and enjoy your neatly formatted document.